healthy. Clean ourselves we must. Brush and bathe every single day. Be it a rainy or a sunny day. I am soap. Wash yourselves with me to feel fresh and clean. I am the key. Before you eat and after you play, wash your hands with me to drive the germs away. We are a toothbrush and a toothpaste. From your teeth we remove all the waste. Brush your teeth with us twice a day and see how we keep the cavities away. I am a comb, I have many teeth. Use me to comb your hair and look neat. But you must clean me too. Whether I am red or green or blue, I am a nail cutter, use me without fail. To trim your finger and toenails, but please be careful when you use me. I can cut quite deep, you see. I am a handkerchief, always keep me close to wipe your hands, face, eyes and nose. Dotted or striped, embroidered or plain, I'm used everywhere from London to Spain. Okay, I'll wash up now and take care of my hygiene.